How to use Google Adwords for keyword research. Open Google Adwords. Once Google Adwords is open, select Planning, then Keyword Planner. Click on Discover New Keywords. And then enter the keyword, such as in this case, mindfulness. Then click on Get Results. Quickly click on the average monthly searches so that it's sorted. Watch out for the title box. And then download the results. This gives you an Excel spreadsheet or a spreadsheet you can open. So open the spreadsheet. What you will notice is that the spreadsheet, the average monthly values are not actually sorted as well as what they should be, even though you already sorted it. First, we'll get rid of the columns we don't want. Now we'll sort it so that the average monthly searches are sorted from highest to lowest. We'll sort by column C in the first instance so that the average monthly searches is sorted from highest to lowest by number. And then we'll also search the keyword so it's sorted alphabetically, just to make things a little easier. We can now see that our numbers are sorted highest to lowest. So we can now save this file. It's better to save the file as something, and we'll put in the word mindfulness in front of the file name, and this will save it into our download section. And we can now go back and review that file and use those keywords as we see fit. Thank you very much for watching.